G'day everyone, Stephen Pettit here from the Global Wealth Club. Just a quick message on wills. You do need one. I've just had some experience personally with some friends. Their parents didn't have up-to-date wills and they're having contests inside their family. Now, wills are very important, especially if you have assets that you want to go to specific people or have specific things happen with your will. So you need to have a trusted executor and you need your will to outline the beneficiaries or the people who are going to get your estate very clearly, and the best way to do it is through a will. So yes, you need a will. And why do you need a will? The will stops you becoming intestate or dying without a will, which means that you can control who controls your estate on your passing. Plus, it also means that the items in your will are given to the beneficiaries or the people that you want them to go to, whether that be next of kin, whether that be charities, whether that be friends, whatever it is, whether it's to set up a foundation. It allows you to control how your estate is distributed. It stops the government controlling your estate. For example, in Queensland and in just about every state of Australia, there is a Wills Act, and the public trustee of that state will administer your will or your estate if you're intestate. And then in that act, it actually says how it can be distributed. And a lot of the times it's not in favour of where you want it to go, especially where in today's world where we have people on third and fourth marriages, and there is children from other marriages, or there is even spouses that still want to be looked after by yourself. So you need to know how you can distribute your estate properly. The other thing is a will reduces legal disputes. And in the complex world of family law, if you have a will, the judge has something to go on, right, with a dispute, and he can say whether the will was drawn in fairness or not. And when I say be fairness, it means you did not change or update your will under duress by someone who may have been forcing you to do something that you didn't want to do. For instance, we see in family court and in some of the stuff where people have had their wills changed by family members forcing them to do it on their deathbed. And that can be unwound in a court. So you need to make sure you prepare your will early. You prepare it while you are conscious. You have the right witnesses. So you need witnesses to your will that have no relationship to you other than a transactional relationship, a lawyer, accountant, and that sort of stuff, and have no interest in any benefit that can be derived from your will. So you need to get it done right, and you need to get it done right from the beginning and keep it updated as your circumstances change, and as you increase your wealth or you distribute assets and assets come off your asset register, you need to make sure that this is up to date. So get a will today. Please contact support, and we can help you get a will drafted. We have legal professionals in most states and territories here in Australia that can help you do it. If you're living overseas, we can also help you get a will drafted here in Australia for your Australian assets and your Australian affairs. Plus, we can help you get one done overseas. So contact us, support@globalwealthclub.org, and we can help you get it done. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.